Hello everyone and welcome to another Ajax Search Pro tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to make an Elementor Posts Widget live filter using Ajax Search Pro search bar. To make sure you have the Ajax Search Pro Elementor and Elementor Pro plugins installed. Posts Widget is only available in Elementor Pro at this time, so it is also required. First, let us make a search bar via Ajax Search Pro. If you already have a search bar created, that works as well. So let's click on the Ajax Search Pro menu and let's make a new search bar. I'm going to name this test. Once it's ready, click on the gear icon to take you to the search settings page. We are not going to change anything here, we're just going to need some information, so let's keep this tab open for a while. Now let's open a new browser tab and create a new page with Elementor. You can of course use an existing page as well, it doesn't really matter. I'm going to use a 2-column layout. Let me stretch this a bit. Here we are going to place this search bar and here we're going to place the posts widget. So let's look for the posts widget right here, drag it here. And before we continue, let's go back to the search backend panel, click here and look for the Elementor Posts Widget live filter section and copy this text. Go back to the Elementor page and on the advanced panel on our widget options, look for the CSS classes option and paste it right here. Now we also need the shortcodes widget, so let's look for it and drag it right here. We also need the search shortcode, so let's switch back to the other panel and copy this shortcode, the simple shortcode, and paste it right here. Hit apply, and as you can see, here we have the search bar and here we have the posts widget. That's it. Let's publish the page and check if it's working correctly. Let's type in hello. Oh, as you can see, it's already filtering. I think it's working nicely. Well, I really hope you liked this tutorial and I see you in the next one. Bye!